just like the food of love from a nursing mother. Sweet as an angel's kiss, salt as her falling tears, droplets in patience wearing away the mountain of time for billions of years. Skin perspires in the curse of a lost and found her, and she